Good morning, guys. So I woke up a few hours ago and I wasn't sure if I was going to be vlogging because I didn't know what we were doing today, like if we were just having a house day or what we were doing. There's a hurricane coming tomorrow, Wednesday. It's gonna hit the Big Island a lot more than it's gonna hit us, but it's still gonna be storming and windy and stuff here. So we were planning on doing the road to Hana with the black sand beach and the waterfall hike on Thursday. Now we cannot do the road to Hana if it is even like a little bit windy or like drizzling, because it's like a really dangerous and I'm terrified. But I really want to do the black sand beach and the waterfall hike. So that's what we're doing today. My dad is golfing right now, so we're gonna leave around 1. It is 11:05, so I'm gonna like maybe go kayaking a little bit. I have to do some pictures for my recreating pictures video in the house. Alrighty, so it is now 12:16 and we just finished taking all the pictures for the recreating pictures video. Not sure when that will be up. Of course I'm vlogging today. Are you kidding me? This is like the biggest day.
You vlog every...
So right now I'm getting all of my stuff together because it's a 3-hour car ride, so it's kind of like a road trip. So I'm trying to get all my memory cards and tech stuff situated, and hopefully I'm ready on time because I still have to eat lunch. We're gonna go eat some pizza. Have some vegan, gluten-free pizza.
Close that today? No?
You want to make sure no bugs. Make sure no bugs.
Okay, so I have my bag that I'm gonna be bringing with me like on the hike. I have my...
So I can't put a tripod on it.
I have my dry...
I better not drop it while I'm jumping.
I have a dry pair of clothes, this bag that I bring with me in the car, and all that.
I'm flying high, but I got a feeling I'm falling.
Go slow. There is no reason.
Yeah, you're going so fast.
Go fast. 0.
I want to speed.
The car behind us is going really
I
slow.
want to speed.
Your test of marriage right
It's
now.
called test of marriage.
We're on the road to Hana.
What does it say?
Just keep on, because you have to go so slow.
I'm scared.
We're already at mile 3.
Just pay attention to every inch of what you're doing. You do.
I'm counting how many Jeeps I see. Jeep Wranglers. I've seen 5.
Falling for nobody else but you.
Oh, here's the Rusty.
Oh my
That's the Rusty. See, these cars are
We made it.
fast.
This is actually so funny to me because there's literally 59 bridges along the road to Hana. And the way I said it, like, we were like, oh, it's the Rusty Bridge. Like, we made it to the bridge. And I was like, well, we made it across. There's 59 bridges on the road to Hana. So, good luck, Charlie. People come to Maui just to do this.
The good thing about going right now.
You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through.
Oh my god. And we are not even in the hard part yet, guys. We get to is going to be no guardrails, and you are literally along the water.
Guardrails.
What?
How many times have I run into a guardrail?
If you really
Holy. I guess this road fell apart.
Oh.
And see, if a car came right now and just smashed us.
I used to.
Oh.
How many times in my vlog has Dad said that? I'm gonna have to duck it out.
Dump it out.
Duck.
White bridge.
Are you sure?
2 miles per hour.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 2 miles per hour.
I feel like we're in like a Dr. Seuss book.
Apparently somebody drove off the road.
What's going on?
No, but what is he doing?
I don't know. 11 Jeeps we've seen. Look at the jungle vines. Sarah, you should go swing.
Wow, that is cool.
Yeah.
Dad, don't look.
I'm looking.
No. Mom, what are you doing? We just pulled off to the side of the road. We're on mile 12, which is like apparently where it starts getting bad, but it's not really bad yet. So yeah. It's bad. We're also stopping at this vegan ice cream place that's at mile 27.5. And then I forgot what mile the Black Sand Beach is. Well, because everything here, you have to track it by miles because there's no service to do like a GPS, and there's no, it's literally just one road. Like there's not like streets. Off the grid. Entering
right
dangerous
here,
part.
though, Eric, slow.
It's like number 50 of him saying that.
Other way.
Look shocked. We did that. We're out of the car on the road to Hana. Whoa. We're at halfway to Hana to use the bathroom. I think it's just porta potties. So I got some pineapple.
To go back out.
It's really yummy.
Not even near the
We got these. Sarah got these.
bad at all.
And we got some banana bread for Dad.
This is so big.
Video me. Road there.
Dad, don't look. Stop.
This is some quality vlog footage. Okay, I keep seeing people, like I swear, like walking on the road and then like I don't see them, then I look over. This is proof that I am going insane. I swear. They're like, they look like ghosts. They're like little mists, and then I don't see them anymore.
They're the people that have died on this road.
I literally think so.
They just wander.
26.
Like it's the ghost living in her house.
Whoa, whoa.
Mom's doing her oil drugs. 27.
Whoa. Hold on here. I'm gonna pull over here.
Someone on your tail.
Yeah.
28.
You guys are crazy. You're just crazy. It's the things that you do. I don't understand. It makes no sense.
Okay guys, we just passed our 30th Jeep. I've just been counting the Jeeps. Everyone's like, oh look at the pretty mountain. I'm like, oh, it's the 30th Jeep. I'm really not sure why I'm extra annoying in this video. I'm sorry. Enjoy the rest of the video. Please keep watching. What is that? Why is it not going away? It just keeps coming back.
Maybe there is.
31.
It's a little further.
32. 33.
Oh, road narrows. Road narrows.
Okay,
Did you get it?
I already got it.
No.
We were just driving, and this big truck came up in front of us.
In a one-way road.
In a one-lane road, and we were driving, and it was just like.
That's why I told you to make.
So to update the Jeep count as of right now with this Jeep that is
Oh,
passing,
here's the gardens.
we are on 46. 46 Jeeps. We're almost at 50.
Look, I wonder if
51.
Oh, Sarah,
40,
you'll be
51.
fine. This stuff
52.
is good, Sarah.
52.
We made it to 50,
Homemade
by the way.
ice cream. It's good.
We're at this place called Coconut Glens, and they have homemade ice cream, and
I'm gonna get some.
it's all
Hopefully they
vegan.
have cookie dough.
It's all vegan, and I'm very excited because I love vegan ice cream. I mean, that's the only ice cream I can have, but I love ice cream. There's some really good Vscos. That one. That one's really good. And then I got vanilla bean vegan ice cream, and they make it with coconuts that they literally cut like right there.
The most popular because like,
No, it said the coconut's the most popular. God, there's pigs.
oh my god.
your
You got him, Lauren?
Wait.
Oh my god.
Watch out, he's gonna come after you.
Oh my gosh, it's right there. There's just pigs. They have collars on. They must be someone's pigs. What the heck? That was fun.
Where did Chandler go? Parts last night, Eric, where I was like, oh my god, you guys are right.
So we made it to where the black sand beach is, but we can't find it. We're trying to find it now.
See all the people on I took a rock as a souvenir. We are heading back down the road of Hana. We finished at the Black Sand Beach. It was really, really cool. We got like a lot of pictures and stuff. I got some really good pictures. The sky looks a little gray. So now we're on our way to the waterfall, the Twin Falls, which is like in the beginning of the road to Hana. So even if the sun starts to set, we'll like go in the waterfall, take some pictures, get out, go home. Or go to, I don't know what we're doing, but yeah.
Mom just made a friend.
I got it. Some backstory to what my sister said about my mom making a friend. So while we were driving, we passed this giant truck, and I don't remember exactly what happened, but I know that it like didn't stop or something, or it was going like way too fast, and it almost hit us because we were like going around a corner, and the corners on the road to Hana are like you cannot see the car on the other side at all, and it's like really narrow one-lane roads. So this giant truck comes out from behind the corner, and my mom, like, she's like, what? Like, from the car, like, she's like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? And he got very angry, and I thought that he was going to kill us because the sun was setting, and he was in a giant truck, and that was very scary. So I don't know why I didn't talk about that in the vlog, but there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. we just got here and it's closed. And I don't know what we're gonna do. That sucks.
Your lips next to mine, won't you kiss me once, baby?
So we are now home and I just took a quick rinse off and changed into my pajamas. And I don't know if I said, but we didn't end up going to go to the actual waterfall. We went to it and for like 5 minutes, but it was getting too dark. So we didn't get to take any pictures, which sucks. I got like a quick picture, but it wasn't even good. We just finished watching. We watched me and Sarah's Hollywood videos because I worked like so hard on it, so I just wanted them to see it. I don't know why I was orange for that whole clip. But now it's 10:30 and I'm really tired, but we're gonna watch like an episode of Friends or something. Or like 2 episodes, I don't know. And this TV is so annoying because the remote and like the Wi-Fi together just makes a really bad combination and it like doesn't work at all. It's like so hard to press it.
Put your hand